Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to permanently delete file in Avira. So how to permanently delete a file in Avira? Because sometimes when you delete a file, it just goes to the bin, or sometimes when you delete a file, it doesn't permanently delete, and you might be scared that that file may have access from the hackers, and that can corrupt or may make your computer a little bit damaged or laggy. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a file in Avira. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Avira, and once you're here, click on Privacy on the left side corner. After clicking on Privacy, in the middle right, you will see a File Shredder. Click on the File Shredder. After clicking on File Shredder, you'll be directed here at the File Shredder. Then click on Next. Then after that, choose what you want to permanently delete. So you can either choose a file or a folder. So to permanently delete something using a beer, you must add a file. For example, right here. Then choose which file you want to delete. So I'm gonna give you an example. PC, edit there, here. Let's try delete this one. Wild robots, then open. Choose the wild robot, open, then there you go. Shred. And once you shred that, now it's shredding. Wait for it. Mm, mhm, mm. So yeah, guys, this might take a little bit of a while, but that's how you permanently delete your file in Avira. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video and hope you guys enjoyed. And I'm not gonna wait for this one to go to 100 because it's a little bit in Tagalog it's a little bit tagal, but in English it's taking too long. So yeah, and here's a little tip for you guys. If you want the easiest way to permanently delete a file, just use your keyboard, just hold on shift, then click on delete on the file that you want to delete. So yeah, there you go guys. I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.